How to get $50 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Shein promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, just scroll. You're going to find amazing deals and offers. $30 off, 20% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you'll get the code. Copy the code, then click on Redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for Shein. This way, you can easily get up to $50 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.